minutes off in the paved road.
Okay.
And,
so they're past the 3-point center?
Right. And they're just on their way on that road. They said the van's kind of sliding off the road.
Okay. All right.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Well, that's what we're doing. So we just got a call for a van that's gone off the road up past the 3-point center behind Frog Holler. So we are headed up there to see if we can get them pulled back on the road. We don't know how much damage they've sustained, but we're going to head out with the Jeep first and have a look at it, then figure out what we're going to do if we need more backup. We've got Ed with us today.
Hi everybody, yeah, I don't know what we're going after, but we'll get it. It's a little cloudy here, but warming up, no wind for today, and good day.
I think we can get this off here, but I think it might be reckless. It's a long way to bring a wrecker out here.
Of all the places to do it, huh? Right in the ditch.
You get up close underneath.
Almost need a hook truck.
The wall is going forward. What's going to keep the back end from falling in? I'm going to hook both. I'm going to. Oh, you're going to go this way? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Right at the ditch, on the curve. Going too fast.
I'm going to be rigging this up, and I'll tell it's going to help. Okay.
Steer this guy around.
That's Phil.
They don't get that driving for me either. Like my mom, I guess. Are they planning on getting it out?
Yeah, I think he's going to take it out.
I don't know if they will. Hi. Yeah. Yep. I'll move it wherever you want me to move it. Just not to do.
Out of gear and brake off. Yeah, they're both about tight, not quite. You pouring up?
Well, I certainly couldn't be more pleased, Dad.
That went perfect. Better than I thought.
What are you doing there, Matt?
Washing some Yankum ropes. I've got to come up with a better system, but this is what we're doing right now. Yeah. So let's see if any mud comes out. A little bit.
Looks like a little.
Good enough.
Look at that bright red rope.
Yeah, compared to how it went in. So, this is nice and muddy. Let's give this a shot.
I almost died, I'm pretty sure.
I guess we'll just do this for a second. Not very exciting.
I'm quite certain somebody will find this riveting
I know.
and then tell you how to do it right.
Yeah. You say I like watching us watch the Jeep walk too. I guess we're gonna get in trouble for that.
Whoops.
Okay. One more. You're gonna want to use the 3 mil contractor bags because they're the only ones tough enough to do this. We're gonna let them kind of drain right here, but they're gonna finish drying out in the back of the Jeep.
Use that carpet to suck it up, the extra moisture.